Hello, the problem reads if the jet on the dragster supplies a constant thrust of 20 kilonewtons, determine the power generated by the jet as a function of time. Neglect drag and rolling resistance and the loss of fuel. The dragster has a mass of 1 megagram and starts from rest. This problem is coming from the Engineering Mechanics and Dynamics, 14th edition by RSC Hibbeler. So let's say we have our weight like so, and let's say we have our equivalent normal force like so. What else? So there we go. This is our weight and this is our normal force, right? We have our thrust there. So now we need to find the velocity, which will be expressed in terms of time. Okay, later on the power the power also will be in terms of time, t. Okay, so let's apply the equation of motion. So we'll say cos motion is in this direction like so. All right, this is our ax. So summation of forces in the x direction is just equal to max, in that direction being our positive. So we have thrust like so, and this is just equal to max, and therefore our max is just equal to t divided by m, and our t is 20,000, so I'll put 20,000 like so, divided by m, which is just 1,000. Okay, right, 1,000 kg. Okay, and therefore our ax is just equal to 20. Okay, this is 20 meters a second squared. So this is constant. Okay, this is constant. Okay, because the force, this thrust is constant, and these are directly proportional, right? F is equal to ma. So if the force is constant, you expect the acceleration to be constant, right? Great. So having said that, then we can use one of these equations like so, okay, where our v naught is equal to 0, okay, because this is coming from rest. Our AC is just equal to 20 and time is unknown. So this just becomes V0 plus AC, which is just 20t. Therefore, V is just equal to 20t, where t is the time in seconds. Alright, so with this, we can apply the power equation. So power is just equal to F times V, where our F in our case is just equal to T, which is equal to 20,000 newtons, and our V is just equal to 20T. And therefore power will just be equal to 20,000 times 20T, and this is equal to 400,000 T, and therefore P is just going to be equal to 400 T kilowatts, okay, where T is in seconds. Okay, so I hope this particular video was helpful. And if it was, give me a thumbs up, like my video, continue subscribing and sharing my channel. Bye bye, and see you in my next screencast.